Welcome to High Tea with Grace, where we spill the tea on HIT. I'm thrilled to be here in sunny Los Angeles at the ViVE Conference, interviewing the industry's greatest leaders about trends going on in the space. So tell me, who are you and what do you do?
I'm Oren Nissim. I'm CEO and co-founder of Brook Health.
Terrific. Now, what trends are you hearing about in the ViVE hallways?
AI, all day long.
How is that impacting you? From what lens?
Well, it's in our name, Brook.AI.
That's fantastic. Now, what does
So,
Brook.AI do?
so we do remote care management, and so we take care of people with multiple chronic conditions, mostly Medicare age. And we put both technology and a caretaker in their home to be able to care for them 24/7 as partners with the healthcare systems.
At Brook.AI, how are you seeing AI have the most impact?
We think it touches two types of issues. One is, how to give agency to a person on a more 24/7 basis. So the ability of a patient to actually talk to something, rely on something, making sure that they are being monitored and kind of understood. And the other one is the care providers themselves. So the care providers, are getting so much time get back because somebody else can be taking the notes, somebody else can be doing the summarization, a lot of stuff around how to understand what actually happened in the data trend, as opposed to needing to read about it. I can just, go and have this thing be better investigated using AI. So on both sides, there's also benefits right now.
So inspiring, and it just feels so futuristic to me. So thank you so much for innovating in that space. Now, we're hearing a lot in the industry about women's health. How is that topic touching you and the work that you do?
I think a lot of the people that we take care of are women who are at a slightly older age. They need a lot of agency. They need to be able to rely on a caretaker that's not necessarily always there. There's both a side of the medical care of it, but frankly, there's also the side of the loneliness of it, which is
Mm.
something that not a lot of people like to talk about, but it's very real. And so the ability to provide some sort of a trust partner that they can rely on and make sure that it's like in their corner, taking care of them, making sure that the data is understood, making sure that when a medical provider needs to be drawn into the equation, there's an easy way to do it. Is really really meaningful.
Fantastic. Now, well, my listeners love to hear about trends in the space, and we love learning from you. They love to hear about what drives leaders like yourself. If you could give your younger self a piece of advice or a young person coming into the industry, what would you say?
I would say that there is so much room for incredible innovation, and so my advice would be start early.
I love it. I love it. Thanks for joining us today.
Thank you for having me.